rings in California. The sun is always shining bright. People are smiling, making plans.
Hello guys, welcome to my first autumn decorate with me of 2021. I am so excited to share today's video. I've never decorated the bedroom before for autumn, so I'm really excited to get my bedroom nice and cozy this year. So do go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, and go ahead and leave today's video a thumbs up, and let's just jump straight into it.
I bet that you can get any sleep in that bed.
Okay, so if you've been here before, you know that I've never had anything on my bedroom walls since I've moved in over 2 years ago, and I thought it was time to change that. So I went ahead and put the mirror up here that was in my laundry room, and now that's the bunny room. They really don't need a mirror in there, and I thought I'll bring it through here, and it works perfectly. So I can now attach lights and leaves and just completely change the whole aesthetic every season, and I can't wait to do that. So I'm really glad that I finally started decorating the walls. I do still have some things either side that I want to put up around Christmas time, so hopefully in the next few months this room is going to be looking very different and very festive, but I just love having mirrors and lights and all that coziness.
Even when it's 90 degrees without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in that bed.
So as you can see, I'd already stripped the bed that's in the dryer waiting to be put back on. So I'm just going to go ahead now and wipe down all of the surfaces that I'm going to be decorating, because I have to have a clean space before any decorating can happen. So I'm just going to wipe everything down, make the bed, and we can carry on from there.
You're so damn cold. No rain, no flowers. Nothing's growing where your heart is fire. But baby, I bet you're cold without me. Even when it's 90 degrees without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in that bed, lying awake. 'Cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you warm, and I know I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. It never rains in California. The sun is always shining bright. You could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you, you don't even notice. Should've told you straight away, you don't have to be afraid anymore. I know you haven't noticed. I could show you more, 'cause baby you deserve some more. But still you're here, and that's what I adore. Should've told you straight away everything I have to say, but I'm afraid, and I know you haven't noticed. You know, you know.
I just love the feeling of having a fresh bedding. It makes the whole room instantly feel cozy, and I've not even decorated yet, so I'm really happy with how this room is already feeling. But because I don't have any autumnal cushions or anything on the bed, I decided to put this new throw blanket up here. I actually bought this to go on the sofa downstairs, so it might get moved around or I might try and grab another one, but I really wanted to just tie in some of those rusty autumn colours, and this just worked perfectly to add some colour to the bed. But I wasn't really sure how to have it, whether to have it all slouched or to have it across the bottom. So let me know down in the comments how you would do it, because honestly I never have throw blankets on my bed and I'm a bit of a newbie when it comes to styling them. So let me know what you think looked best.
My eyes, I see beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives.
So I wanted to keep my nightstand pretty basic and minimal because I do have my phone on charge at night. I have a drink on there when I go to bed, so I didn't want to clutter it up too much. So I'm just going to go ahead and use my Mrs. Hinch books to give everything a little bit of height and to tie in the greys from the bed. Then I add in an orange scented candle which smells amazing, and just a couple of DIY pumpkins, and then I can move on to the windowsill. And I've seen this so many times, just to layer books for that gorgeous colour. I love the colour of the pages, it ties in perfectly with the wood, but I didn't want to go ahead and rip the pages off, like the cover off, so I just bent it over so you couldn't see it, and I think that worked really well. And I just love adding wooden beads and little pumpkins, and those are actually the coasters that I normally have downstairs. So definitely shop your home and see what you can move around, because you'll be surprised at how many things can transition into autumn. So for the other side of the window, I decided to just fill up this hurricane candle holder with some pumpkins and leaves and acorns. This was a set that I got from Amazon last year, and I still love it. It just adds that pop of colour without being too much. So I thought that was a really nice touch. And then I'm going to add in that little wooden board that I had downstairs, and also these flowers and the vase that I had downstairs. Again, just shopping my home. I didn't buy this for autumn, but I think it can transition really well. So I'm going to add that in, and then just add some more pumpkins and acorns and things around the bottom to make it look a little bit more autumnal. So now moving on to the chest of drawers that we have the telly on. It's such a nightmare that we can't mount the telly to the wall, so I've only got a little bit of space to work with. So I wanted to add some twinkly lights and some leaves, just so in the evening when it gets dark, it's just got that gorgeous light glowing, and yeah, it's just so cozy. So I didn't go too over the top in this area. Like I said, I've only got a small space to work with, so I'm just adding those twinkle lights with the leaves, and then it was quite sparse, so I'm just going to go in and add some more leaves to it just to make it look a little bit fuller. So the final thing that I need to do is just go in and do a quick hoover, make it nice and clean and fresh, and I just love how this room turned out. Like I said, it's the first year I've ever decorated for autumn in the bedroom, and I absolutely love it. It feels so cozy. I tried to keep it minimal but still have all of those pops of colour, and I just love it. It's so cozy. I love the twinkle lights, and just having the mirror with the lights on the wall makes such a huge difference. So I really hope that I've given you some simple decorating ideas. Let me know down in the comments if you decorate for autumn, if you are minimal or if you go all out. I would love to know your style, and I can't wait to share all of my other decorating videos with you guys. So do go ahead and subscribe, leave today's video a thumbs up, and I'll see you back here in the next one.